Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? Today we're going to do an unboxing of 3 beautiful paintings that I got from GBFKE. Okay, so let us begin. The first one is absolutely adorable. It's called Flower Cat, and it's a full round. It's a 30 by 30 centimeters, and it's $4.21. See, let's measure it to get the true size. It's 25 by 25 centimeters. Okay, let me bring it up so you can see this beautiful cat. It's got beautiful, big, piercing eyes, and the cat is like looking at you like, I am the cutest cat. I am very, very wise, and I am surrounded by beautiful flowers. See, look at all the beautiful flowers and all the different kinds of pinks. Just love it. Okay, and this one, like I mentioned, has 22 colors. All right, so it comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. And these are the beautiful colors. Look at these beautiful colors, guys. Lots of pinks and black, purples. It's like a mustard. So, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so let's put this one aside. And then the next one I absolutely love, love, love. This one is called Happiness Beautiful Woman. Well, it's actually called Happiness Woman, but I call her Happiness Beautiful Woman because she's absolutely gorgeous. And look at her, guys. So this one is a partial, meaning that it doesn't have drills all over the painting, just on certain parts. So it's partial. And it's a 30 by 40, so let's measure it to get the true size. And it's actually 25 centimeters by 35, okay? And this one has only 6 colors, guys, and it's got special drills. And this one was $4.32. Okay, and this one comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. And let's open up the special drills, because who doesn't like special drills? All right, it's only 6 colors. So the first one, it looks like it's like a it's a round, silvery, shiny color, and it's number 1. So wherever you see number 1, and it looks like it's on the pillow. Okay, and then black is going to be number 2 for her beautiful, beautiful long hair. And then this is like a pinkish color. This is going to be number 3, and that's going to be on her beautiful pink dress, and it looks like it's on the outline. It's on the see. All right, and then this one is like a silver grayish color, 4. So wherever you see 4, and it's like on the chair. It's on the swirls of the chair. And then this one is 5, and this one is like a teardrop. It's a yellow teardrop, and of course it's on her. See that? It's on her dress, and so it's like it's going to be like flowers, like yellow flowers. Beautiful. And then of course the last one is number 6, and it's just a regular white drill, and that's going to be, it looks like on the pillow, on her beautiful necklace, and on her bracelet. Love the chair. It's a very decorative chair. All right, so let me bring her up so you can see how gorgeous she is. Look at that face, and then that beautiful dress. All right, and that chair. I love it. Okay, so this one is $4.32. And then the last one is called Little Girl, and this one is absolutely just very adorable. This one is a full round, and it's a 30 by 40, so let's get the true size. And it's 25 by 35. And this one has, this one has 21 colors, and this one is $5.29. And it's just adorable. Love the blue coloring on the background. It also looks like it has sage in there. Love the lantern, the light glowing, so you can actually add some ABs there. And it's a little girl. Basically, it looks like she's waiting for someone. Maybe she's waiting for her mom or her dad to pick her up. And then she's sitting next to her cute teddy bear, and they're underneath an umbrella, and the teddy bear seems to be holding the umbrella. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let me bring it up so you can see the light. The cute little girl with her teddy bear and her red umbrella. It's like a red-orange umbrella. Just absolutely adorable. Okay, this one also comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. They all do. And these are the beautiful colors. So you have browns, like a very, very light pink. So it looks like the very, very light pink is probably for her face and her hands. So you have yellow, probably for the lantern, for the light. You have orange, blues, browns, lots of blues. And this is like a dark purple, probably for her outfit. And then the brown, of course, for the teddy bear. And the blues and the greens is probably for the background. All right, and that's about it, guys, for today. So this one, like I mentioned before, this one is called Little Girl, and it's $5.29. This one is Happy Beautiful Woman, and this one is $4.32. Okay, and this one is Flower Cat, and this one's $4.21. So that's about it for today, guys. I hope you like them, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye, and thank you very much.